Wire stripping and crimping tools are essential for any electrical, automotive, or DIY project. A reliable tool can save time, protect conductors from damage, and ensure secure, code-compliant terminations. In this comparison, I tested 5 popular options across a price spectrum from budget to premium to evaluate build quality, versatility, ease of use, and value for money. Product number 1. Kuject Wire Stripper. The Kuject 3-in-1 kit combines an automatic wire stripper, a ratcheting crimper, and a carrying case, aiming to cover stripping, crimping, and cutting needs for a wide AWG range, 24 to 10 AWG stripping, 22 to 10 AWG crimping. It uses high-quality alloy steel blades and features a rotary knob to adjust jaw tension, plus a color-coded die nest for quick terminal selection. The included quick-release lever aids in freeing the jaws mid-cycle, and the precision ratcheting mechanism promises consistent crimps. At a price of $27.99, it sits in the mid to upper mid-range for these toolkits and provides a compact, portable solution for electronics projects and home repairs. In use, the tool's automatic stripping is dependable across its specified range, though users note that very small wires near the 24 AWG end may require a light tug to ensure complete insulation removal. The crimping section performs well on heat-shrink connectors from 22 to 10 AWG, with a noticeable improvement in crimp consistency thanks to the star wheel height adjustment. The included carrying case is a practical addition for technicians who move between sites. Weight, 2.39 pounds, gives enough mass for stable leverage but still remains manageable for one-handed use during longer sessions. Product number 2. WGGE WG015 Professional 8-inch Wire Stripper and Crimping Tool. The WGGE WG015 offers an 8-inch all-in-one wire stripper and crimping tool with a non-slip rubber handle and a robust high-carbon steel construction. It strips 10 to 22 AWG solid copper or aluminum cables and claims durable, precise stripping along with a built-in crimping capability for insulated and non-insulated terminals. Its ergonomic grip and lightweight design, 7.8 ounces, make it a practical option for professionals and DIY users who need a budget-friendly, reliable tool. Priced at $8.99, it represents strong value in the budget segment while still delivering core functionalities. In practical use, the WG015 delivers solid cutting and stripping performance for 10 to 22 AWG on a variety of conductors. The tool's simplicity is its strength. Fewer moving parts mean less maintenance and fewer failure points. The 24-month warranty adds reassurance for frequent users. However, as a budget tool, it lacks some of the precision adjustability and the more refined crimp height control found in higher-end models, and the heft of longer-term use may increase fatigue during extended sessions. Product number 3. Haystronica Self-Adjusting Wire Stripper. Haystronica offers a self-adjusting 3-in-1 tool designed to strip, cut, and crimp for a broad AWG range, 10 to 24 AWG. The branding emphasizes heat-treated, polished alloy steel blades and a rubberized ergonomic handle for user comfort. It supports copper, coaxial, and aluminum wires and lists a wide stripping range to reduce the need for multiple tools. Aimed at home DIYers and professionals, it is positioned around $13.29, balancing cost with durability and versatility. During testing, the self-adjusting mechanism impressed with quick adaptation to different wire gauges, and the blades remained sharp through multiple sessions. The tool's stiffness and jaw tension can handle heavier insulation with minimal effort, while still providing clean cuts and reliable crimps when paired with compatible connectors. The rubber grip stayed comfortable over extended use, though larger hands might prefer models with a more pronounced grip for prolonged tasks. Product number 4. 8-in-1 Wire Stripper with Voltage Tester. Fatio delivers an 8-in-1 tool with integrated voltage testing designed for 10 to 18 AWG and an expanded range including several common cable sizes. The tool combines stripping, cutting, crocking jackets, and splitting insulation with a voltage tester, making it a versatile all-in-one solution for electricians and DIYers who want measurement capability on hand. At $16.99, it sits in the mid-range for multifunction pliers and adds electrical testing as a differentiator. In practice, the voltage test feature is convenient for quick checks on live circuits within the stated 12 volts to 250 volts range, but should not replace dedicated testing equipment for critical diagnostics. The tool's design aims to minimize tool clutter, yet some users may find the grip plastic, while comfortable, not as premium as rubberized handles. It handles AWG 18-10 with ease and supports various cable jackets, but the 8-in-1 scope means slightly bulkier jaws and a bit more weight, 10.2 ounces, compared to single-function pliers. Product number 5. Manual wire stripping machine gauge wire 0.06 to 1 inches. His Mivos presents a manual drill-powered wire stripping machine intended for scrap copper recycling, capable of handling 0.06 to 1 inch diameter wires with a hand crank or drill-driven operation. This tool slots into a different niche, high-volume stripping for recycling rather than general electrical work. Priced at $32.99, it doubles as a stationary machine that can strip heavier gauge wires with less manual effort, making it appealing to scrappers and workshop operators who prioritize throughput over portability. In operation, the dual drive approach allows flexible use. For long runs, connect to a drill for speed. For precise, controlled stripping, switch to manual hand crank. The machine's aluminum body is lightweight yet durable, and the adjustable blade and feeding holes accommodate a range of diameters. The 3-year warranty is reassuring for heavy users. However, its footprint is larger than handheld models, and it requires a stable work area and power drill compatibility for optimal efficiency.